Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how I made these Cajun air fried chicken wings, and if you guys are ready, let's get started. So to get started, the first thing that we are going to do is pot dry our chicken, as you guys can see over here. And the next thing that we are going to do is make our seasoning. So I'm adding some Cajun seasoning in this bowl. Paprika seasoning, cayenne seasoning, lemon and pepper salt-free seasoning, garlic and herb salt-free seasoning, garlic powder, creole seasoning, baking powder, and some salt. And then we are going to go ahead and mix everything together. And then after that, I'm adding some sugar, and this is brown sugar. And then I continue mixing. Now we are going to go ahead and add in our vegetable oil to our chicken. So after adding our oil, we are going to go ahead and mix the chicken together, making sure that the oil is coated to the chicken. And the next thing that we are going to do, guys, is add our seasoning to the chicken. So you want to make sure that you love on that chicken, because you have to make sure that the seasoning is, sticking to the chicken. So after that, guys, I went ahead and let my chicken sit for about 15 minutes before we went on and cooked it. So right over here, while I'm waiting, I'm making some sauce, which I added some sour cream, and I added some mayo, and then I'm squeezing in some lemon. And we are going to go ahead and mix everything together. After mixing it, I went ahead and added in some Cajun, okay, because this is a Cajun chicken wing kind of flavor chicken wings. So after that, we mix everything together. And I'm gonna go ahead and add in some hot sauce, because it was a random kind of cooking. So I added in just a little bit of hot sauce, and I mixed it together. And now the sauce is ready. We are going to go ahead and set it aside, and we are going to go ahead and start air frying our chicken wings. So for the chicken wing, I am using my Power XL air fryer, and as you guys can see, I'm laying down all my chicken wings in the air fryer, and I went ahead and sprinkled in some extra seasoning on top. And we are going to cook this chicken wing for about 15 minutes at 375, as you guys can see over here. And I occasionally flipped my chicken, as you guys can see. I flipped all my chicken, and I went ahead and added a little bit of seasoning on top again. So for the last 4 minutes, I went ahead and put it back and let it cook, and this is how it looks like, guys. So for everything that I used in this video, I'm going to go ahead and leave them in the description below. These chicken wings, they were so good, guys. And over here, I'm just adding in some garnish, which was dry cilantro, and there you go. And I just want to say thank you for watching my channel, for subscribing, for commenting, and I hope you guys like these kind of videos. I'm a chicken wing lover, so you might see me make a lot of chicken wings, and that's how it looks like. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time when I cook. Bye.